Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are on vacation. I'm so excited. We have been in Nashville for the past couple of days and we are about to start the second part of vacation, really the main reason that we're on vacation. This little weekend in Nashville kind of overlapped one with the 4th of July, but also Will had a school trip here in Nashville, so that is why we started out here. And in the morning we are flying to Boston and we are going to see some historical sites and then drive up the coast of Maine. I'm so excited. Anyway, we are going through all of the luggage that we brought with us to Nashville and getting it ready to fly tomorrow. And I thought we would kind of show you our process of packing because Donnie is amazing at packing.
So we put our shoes in the bottom shoe compartment, and that's the base to our packing. Zip it up and keep the dirty shoes away from the clothes. And then you can fill all the cracks and crevices that the shoes make with clothes packed in there.
So that is literally just a fabric, durable but fabric piece in between the shoes and the top section. It's just that. You can cram it full because you have extra, like all this room in here, the sides. You can get it pretty filled up.
So I like to start at the bottom with the bulky, puffy stuff.
So these are my clothes, and Donnie kind of had a system for helping me decide what to pack. Your advice was to lay out my bottoms first.
Your shorts.
There's one pair right there, and then my checked pair. These aren't all of the shorts that we brought for the whole trip because in total we're going to be gone about 18 days. But kind of gives you an idea. So we picked out one top to go with each bottoms to start with, and then we looked at other tops that could go with the other bottoms. So this top could go with long jeans or it could go with denim shorts. Then we've got this top that can go with leggings or with dark wash jeans or with shorts. Fishing shirt, we're going fishing. That one I'm pretty much only gonna wear with leggings, but it can go with other things too. It can go with the shorts or the jeans. Simple t-shirts, that can go with any of my bottoms really. And a little bit of a dressier top that can go with the shorts, with the jeans, or with the leggings really. That kind of gives an idea of how we packed. We counted the days for the basic things like socks and underwear, but I thought it was a really helpful tip to start with the bottoms and then go from there because you can pick out things that go with multiple bottoms.
Keep going with bulky stuff. Packing it in there tight.
Bulky stuff toward the bottom.
Toward the bottom and around the outside.
So what about packing cubes? Because packing cubes are kind of a popular thing. So what's your opinion, thought process on using packing cubes or not?
I like packing cubes for socks and underwear just because it keeps them in a contained space. You're not trying to chase pairs of socks and underwear around your bag.
You know exactly, just
just-
grab this little bag
Yeah.
out of the big bag and that's your socks and underwear. Not as much for the big clothes.
Right.
Why not? For the big clothes.
Because the big clothes, they're pretty easy to see what you have in your suitcase, and you can pack them tighter.
You're not really
You're not,
limited
Yeah.
as much on squeezing it into
right.
this one little cube. You can use every little nook and cranny.
Yeah.
That is
So this,
this is true. Okay, so this is a shot of the inside. This gray down here is all the bottom of the bag.
right.
So
All of your bulky clothes are at the bottom to form the bottom of the bag.
So you can see like my fleece. This is a really thick Shep shirt.
Jeans.
I've got some sweatshirts over here, jeans, and then this is all kind of the lighter tops and these like soft light shorts. Everything is in there and there's plenty of room to
So
spare.
we'll put the sock packing cube in the bottom because it will
That's
form
all
around.
my socks and underwear.
So the socks and underwear will fill cracks and any crevices. And then we'll slide curling iron in the corner. And then we have this bag of extras.
And there's
still
still
room for others.
a huge hole here and there's still room on top.
So we're going to set this off to the side and start working on my bag.
All right.